Global Positioning System or GPS. Do you know what is GPS? The Global Positioning System or GPS is a satellite-based navigation system made up of a network of 24 satellites placed into orbit by the U.S. Department of Defense. GPS was originally intended for military applications, but in the 1980s, the government made the system available for civilian use. GPS works in any weather conditions, anywhere in the world, 24 hours a day. There are no subscription fees or setup charges to use GPS. And how GPS works? GPS satellites circle the Earth twice a day in a very precise orbit and transmit signal information to Earth. GPS receivers take this information and use triangulation to calculate the user's exact location. Essentially, the GPS receiver compares the time a signal was transmitted with the time it was received. The time difference tells the GPS receiver how far away the satellite is. Now, with these 10 measurements from a few more satellites, the receiver can determine the user's position and display it on the unit's electronic map. A GPS receiver must be logged onto the signal of at least 3 satellites to calculate 2D position. And track movement with 4 or more satellites in view. The receiver can determine the user's 3D position. Once the user's position has been determined, the GPS unit can calculate other information, such as speed, bearing, track, trip distance, distance to destination, sunrise and sunset time, and more. Civilian applications. There are many civilian applications, such as cellular telephony, geofencing, geotagging, GPS aircraft tagging, GPS tours, map making, navigation, facial measurement units, recreations, surveying, tectonic, and disaster relief or emergency service.